In this video, we'll show you how to switch the default playback or recording devices using hotkeys in Windows. By default, switching audio devices requires manually changing them from the Action Center. To do this more quickly, we can use a lightweight and free software called SoundSwitch. Download then install SoundSwitch on your computer. Once installed, open the app. Select the playback or recording devices you want to switch between. For example, I'll select my headphones and speakers. You can also customize the default hotkey to your preference. Next, navigate to the Settings tab. Enable the option for the app to start automatically with Windows. Now, whenever I need to switch between headphones and speakers, I can simply press the hotkey. If you don't want to install third-party software, there's an alternative. You can use the game bar to quickly change or switch the audio device. Activate the game bar by pressing the Windows plus G key combination.